Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Stephen Gilbert RC with another unboxing video. This was supposed to be something, I have in my hands right here, that was for my son for Christmas. I wanted to unbox it now, I wanted to see it, I wanted to drive it, but I didn't want to give my son a used toy. So I bought another one. I got a blue one and my son's getting a red one, and what that is the Losi Mini T 2.0. This was just released shortly. It's tiny. I never dealt with the 1.0. I know nothing about it. I didn't know any of the history. I started in the RC, I almost want to say RC fandom. I don't know if that's the right term. I'm part of some other fandom, so that's why I'm used to saying that. But this looks like it'll be fun in a tiny car, and if they start making racing series out of this, I'm going to be kind of excited. This car looks like it has a bunch of hop-ups and a brushless version, like a brushless ESC and motor in one that you just have to put your own receiver in it, which means I can switch to Spektrum. So I'm really excited for this, and we're going to look at it now, and we're going to look at my version and hide it from my son. My son's 3. You may say it's a little young for something that says for 14 and up, but I'm going to keep an eye on him, and also it's going to be something that it's tiny enough that he's not going to run over the dog or hurt somebody or hurt himself too badly, and it's something I can fix anyway, and it's going to be, this is a long-term toy. This is an investment between me and my son. This is a bonding thing. That's what this is. A lot of people don't get that, you know, until you have your own kids. Like this is his childhood right here. So, and we're going to make it a good one just for him. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments as well. So let's do this unboxing. Okay, here we go. Also, I got 2 leads for the EC2 for this thing. So we can charge it up on, and we're not using the built-in slow charger, so here we go. Okie dokie, let's see, what do we have here? We have the radio in the bubble wrap. Not bad, tiny little radio. The one thing that I saw in the shop, that's neat. Just that's really neat, and I can't get it back in. I was having this issue with the last unboxing. So throttle trim, reverse, channel 3 channels. What am I gonna do with that? Okay, and then we have the paperwork. Looks like a bunch of hop-ups. So, like, I think we'll do the typical break it and fix it. Yeah, oh, okay, here it even says on the paperwork here, too. There's the brushless ESC. Brushless ESC in 1. There's a radio. There's toolkits. So they automatically let you know, like, hey, here's what you want to do with this. Typical packet. It's like some batteries, a 4-way, a bind plug. Typical stuff. Okay, and then, oh, okay. And that was my receipt. So, it's tiny. It's very tiny for scale. It's the length of a radio. I like it in blue. The store demo I saw was in red. This looks really neat. Okay. The little tiny fingers take these out. And the battery should be in here too already. And the one thing that I did notice about the battery, let me zoom in a bit more, was it was really hard to get in and out of this thing. So I was kind of like, oh, you're supposed to lift, oops, both pins. You're supposed to lift it up, and, you know, you feel like it didn't want to go very far because you feel like you're going to break something. Just get in there and pull it open. Yeah, there. You have to, like, pull this really far up to where you almost think you're going to break it. Get the battery out of it. Oh yeah, I'm sure someone is going to make it so it's easier to get this battery out of this silly thing. There we go. And there's the battery, which is a... There's the information on there. It's an EC. Come on, you got this. Okay. And then there's the car without the battery in it. So it's a 2-in-1 ESC and receiver. The little plug and the little mid-mounted motor. So that looks really neat. Little analog steering servo. Oops, sorry, can I get this focused? Okay, well, so a few things I realize up front is if you ever want to upgrade this to like an AVC receiver, that analog servo will have to go. Little cute little antennas comes in here and sticks out the back like a little tail. So, and these are oil-filled shocks. So that's kind of neat. I like that. Hopefully they have other little tires you can put on this. I feel like I'm going to go through these tires pretty quickly because these are for racing. So it's a cute little car. Gear differential and gear it out differently. Okay, we'll put that here. So the body, I'm probably going to paint one of these because they got clear bodies for pretty cheap. I'm probably going to paint one of these for myself and maybe for Charlie later. I like the designs, really race inspired design, so I like them. They're cool. There's not really much to show, you know. I just got to charge up some batteries and get going, you know. So big comparison. Well, if you guys have any other questions about this, I'm going to be doing some running videos soon. And we're going to see how it works. We're going to run it inside, out, a little bit outside. It is winter time right now. It's the day after Thanksgiving that we're filming this. So the weather's not going to be good for much longer. No, we can at least boot it up a little bit, even if the battery's not sure. No, I got to put batteries in this. I guess not. We'll do it in another video. So hope you guys enjoyed. This is a fun little car that we're going to learn a lot about this next few months. And like I said, subscribe, keep your eye out for any new videos, and you guys have a good holiday season. Bye.